Hello everyone, I am Arvind Kute, Assistant Professor of English. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. As you know that SPPU Pune has declared examination schedule of various programs of UG and PG. The examination of first year commerce 2019 pattern is going to start soon. So I have just made this video on compulsory English course. I am going to provide you 100 multiple choice question which will be helpful for your preparation. To download the document, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's begin.
Unit 1 Prose The Beggar by Anton Chekhov. Who is the author of the lesson The Beggar? Bill Bryson, Anton Chekhov, Jan Gaudis, O. Henry. Correct answer is Anton Chekhov. Who used to chop wood for Lashkov? Sergei, it's mean Korso, Olga, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is Olga. How much did Lashkov earn per month working as a notary? 20 rubles, 25 rubles, 30 rubles, 35 rubles. Correct answer is 35 rubles. Who moved into another house? Lashkov, Olga, Korso, none of the above. Correct answer is Korso. What did Sergei give Lashkov for chopping wood? A pound, a dollar, a franc, a ruble. Correct answer is a ruble. What was Olga by profession? A beggar, a cook, an advocate, a wood chopper. Correct answer is a cook. What was Lashkov in his earlier life? A village school teacher, a student, a Russian choir singer, none of the above. And correct answer is Russian choir singer. What was the name of the beggar? Olga, Lashkov, Korso, none of the above. Correct answer is Lashkov. Where did Sergei meet Lashkov after 2 years? In his house, in his maid's house, outside a theater, none. Correct answer is outside a theater. What was Lashkov doing before begging? Dancing, singing, teaching, none. Correct answer is singing. Why did Lashkov agree to work for Sergei? It's mean Korso. Korso trapped him because he was feeling ashamed, because of his own pride. D. All. Correct answer is D. All. How did Olga help the beggar? By giving him food, giving him medicine, by chopping wood for him. None. Correct answer is by chopping wood for him. Why was Lashkov removed from the choir? Due to his weakness, due to his drunkenness, weak body, poor health. Correct answer is due to his drunkenness. How much did money Sergei pay to the beggar for cutting wood? Half a ruble, 40 kopecks, 35 kopecks, 25 kopecks. Correct answer is half a ruble. What did Korso give to the beggar? Food, milk, work to chop the wood? None. Correct answer is work to chop the wood. Who was Korso? An advocate, a teacher, a lecturer? None. Correct answer is an advocate. What is the theme of the lesson? Alcoholism, dishonesty, kindness can transform anyone for the better. Correct answer is all. How was Lashkov earning money? by telling false stories, by telling lies, by rushing sympathy in the listeners? All. Correct answer is all. Black Money and Black Economy by C. Ram Manohar Reddy. Who is the author of the Black Money and Black Economy? C. Ramanujan, C. Ram Manohar Reddy, R. K. Narayan, Oscar Wilde. Correct answer is C. Ram Manohar Reddy. The Black Money and Black Economy is an extract which is taken from which book? Demonetization of Black Money, Legal Economy and Illegal Money, Impacts of Black Money, Black and White Money. Correct answer is Demonetization of Black Money. The illegal or uncounted income is stored in which kind of assets? Land and gold, Benami bank deposits, in cash, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. How does black money change into white money? Land, real estate and gold transactions, financial market transactions, by changing its color, both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. If black money is to be removed from the economy, we must purchase gold and land, destroy the black economy, make a strike, change its color. Correct answer is destroy the black economy.